left, I didn't see you. Yeah. So you knew you were not in the house and you asked me to come. Yeah. I'm almost at your junction. I'm leaving. Okay. I don't want to hear anything, please. That's why you people learn. Hey God, you just don't know how to speak the truth for once. You can't. You are always lying. Why are you like that? Oh please. You told me what you want to say. Let me just leave, please. Yes. Yeah, I'm here. I'm listening. I'm not gone. I'm around. Oh, dang. I think I'm around. You think I'm like you? You wish. I'm just tired of your lies. Yeah. I know, God. Okay, fine, I've heard you. I'm giving you 5 minutes. Make sure you get here or else I'm gonna see you. Okay. I got you. Main pencil, Israel, and Medana. If you know you are with Asimus, be with her. If you know you are with me, be with me. And stop playing us. You know what I must say. I'm waiting. Okay. Bye. Alive. 5 minutes more. That will make you yeah. Oh God. I'm waiting for him. Hi! Hello, mister. Hello? Young man. Are you okay? Hello? Oh, it's a statue. Hello? Hello?
Howdy, baby.
Didn't say any Pope.
Baby.
I thought it was a human being.
What is going on here?
I told you. Like, I've been waiting. I
told you.
My phone just fell. I took it and I was just planning to come back to your house.
Then what?
And I just saw a statue.
A statue?
Yeah, because when I was coming, I didn't even see it here. I'm surprised. Yeah. You think it's not a statue?
Come in.
Are you serious? What are you doing?
Baby.
Are you serious?
The temperature here is different.
Are you serious?
It's very That is a statue.
Are you serious? So it's a human being? Hello? I'm telling you it's a statue.
A statue? Are you sure?
You, why? You think I'll be lying to you or what? Because I'm even surprised though, because when I was coming, I didn't see it here.
And he just came here like that. Alright, baby, I'm coming. Give me 1 minute.
Minute, yes, tell you.
Baby, I'm coming.